Innovative novel everybody, it's me Asim Adhikari from Art House. Today we are presenting our presentation on the topic of maintain discipline. Member of the circle, leader Asim Adhikari, deputy leader Shreya Chhatri, member 1 Astha Bhandari, member 2 Sirsana Gupta, member 3 Mandeep Kimire.
Circle information. Name of the circle, Earth formation date 2077 9/28. Average age 11. Average class 6. Total number of members 4. Meeting days all days. Meeting location school. Meeting time period and anytime. Facilitator Anusara.
SQC is an involvement team. Is me Astha Bhandari from class 6 and my group name is R. Today I am going to say about SQC. SQC is an involvement teaching method of expressing the behavior of players. Person, those purpose and year of application of both TQM and AL years similarly, whereas SQC has fundamental difference with TQM and AL in its purpose and year of application. SQC has strong fusion with TQM as well as AL. Students continue circle in different as a same term of wallet. Contact students at the same education level who meet regularly in school study place to identify, advise and solve requirement problem of development, their quality, message and good and smart personality.
Objective of the circle to help the student develop and maintain self-control, respect for others and socially acceptable behavior, to understand and develop positive attitude, to develop team leadership and collaborate behavior, to improve quality, productivity, safety and cost reduction, to promote self and mutual development including leadership quality. Brainstorming. It allows creative thinking. It encourages everyone's viewpoint. It involves everybody. It's swift and easy. To encourage critical thinking, to get you out of your head. Brainstorming builds team for teamwork. To maintain discipline, to improve language, to make students able to face the mass, to spread awareness. Stratification can be solved. Maintain discipline, decrease the use of junk food, maintain hygiene, remove mass phobia, to spread awareness, to improve language, to involve students in every activities. Cannot be solved. Students coming late, students being absent, family problem, being sick, being noisy, don't want to involve in any activities, being careless, not speaking English.
Stratification can be solved particularly to involve students in every activities, decrease the use of junk food, to spread awareness, maintain hygiene, to involve students in every activities.
careless use of junk food, carelessness, lack of awareness, lack of involvement.
The highest rank problem: maintain discipline, maintain language, maintain mass phobia, maintain hygiene, work in team. Survey on 5 major problems: noise, language, answering late, not paying attention, answering on others' turn, lack of sincerity.
Survey result. Eat your note. Question yes, no. Is your note complete 9:22? Do your come is school regularly 25:6? Do you answer all the question your teacher asks 8:23? Do you follow all the rules and regulations 9:22?
Causes: point, carelessness 23, lack of awareness 15, lack of involvement 15, lack of sensitive 10, use of junk food 20.
Pareto analysis: carelessness 23, lack of awareness 13, lack of involvement 14, lack of sincerity 8, use of junk food 18. Problem definition: discipline is a good character which has a very positive and good impact in our lives. It has a great role in motivate an individual to be successful and to progress in his or her life. Children should be taught to follow discipline. Teachers, parents and elders also have to learn and follow discipline, and friends can also teach other way to follow rule and behave properly. It is a very important part of our life.
Set a target before 10, after 30.
Section of 5 root causes: lazy, not laziness, 1 laziness, 2 no concentration, carelessness, 4 lack of motivation, 5 habitat.
YY analysis: to maintain discipline in our school, to maintain carelessness, to make a good bond with people, to success in student life, to overcome laziness and wake up on time, to bring positivity in our life, to focus on our goals, to work hard and achieve our goals, to stay fit in personal life, to give us strength to resist impulsive action and reaction. Root cause analysis: carelessness, no cooperation, lack of motivation. PDCA plan: manage discipline. Do to give orientation class about discipline. Check daily observation, consulting with their teachers. Act, generate new strategies, redo the same plan. Countermeasures: English speech competition, giving speech on the topic of advantage of discipline, one magazine competition, orientation program.
Program implementation. Consultation to manage discipline. We have to consult with the students. Planning to develop a detailed plan. Execution. Once our plan is in the place, we can follow the plan sequence and schedule to put
of SQC, improved communications, management awareness of employee job-related concerns, personal growth and development, enhanced decision-making skills, increased individual power, improved motivation, opportunities for recognition of individual improvement. Conclusion: discipline is vital to life. Discipline refers to the set of rules that regulates our life. A person is normally found to be disciplined. Discipline is the backbone of the character. So that discipline is important in school or any places. It is important for managed properly. SQC helps to work in group. It boosts self-confidence so that SQC helps to maintain discipline. I would like to express my special thanks to my teacher as well as my principal who gives us opportunity to do this wonderful project SQC maintaining discipline, which also help us in doing a lot of research, and I came to